Here's the important top tip from the Two Cowboys. It's Mazatlan in June. It's still damn hot. Ole! Actual Mexican experience.
And you are trying to shoot a bottle of a man's head.
Yeah, we're going for a bottle of tequila.
No, this is...
No, it's going for tequila. Go. Let's go.
Ahí arriba, ahí arriba.
See, we know the locals already.
We're going to find this place, eh? This is massively informal, okay? It's not a restaurant. Have a look around.
This is the real thing. This is why we come, not to sit in the resort.
There's the farm. There's the boats. Here's the place.
It probably came in this morning. Here's the real thing is you have no idea what this is on the menu.
No.
Agua chili, camarón, pelar, ceviche we know, de pescado, ceviche de jaiba.
Octopus, lobster, oyster, clams. Did you order the coconut? Oh!
Yes, that's the one.
Oh!
All the fancy people up there in Canada, they buy these little Tetra packs with fresh coconut water, pasteurized. I get it the original way.
Ole!
Ole!
Shrimp? More shrimp.
Oh, did you eat your heads?
Why would I do that? You are disgusting. You are disgusting.
You have to get the brains. Brains the best part.
Why would you eat the head?
Vitamin B.
Moriscos, Rosita. Next place.
You ready for the next one?
Ole. Let's go for it.
The mariachi's is a little dear though.
Yeah.
Hola!
Hola. Is that my oysters? Beautiful. Where in the world can you buy 12 freshly shucked oysters for 150 pesos? So $12.
Reminds me a little of German Oompa music.
There's a reason.
It is, because there were a lot of Germans here. Maybe still is. You never know. You know how much money people spend to make something look old and derelict?
Yeah.
You don't have to spend money, just leave it alone. So this is where the vaqueros are hanging out, right in the little town of Mexico. That's amazing.
Well, what's the idea? I mean, you come out to Mazatlan, you take a trip up here. Why would you do this?
I think you'll do this because you'll see what Mexico is really about. You see how people are really living.
Sure.
You will. What really impresses me is the handiwork.
Yeah.
It's not the best handiwork, but it's people making a living doing something useful.
Yeah.
They're making something which is everything we're about is making something.
Yeah.
And being able to see the fruits of your labor and being able to share it with people.
Yeah.
we keep on saying when we come to destinations like this, we actually want to meet somebody that can take you around, that can show you the place. That's what local travel is all about. Get out of the touristy places, get off the beach, get off the chair.
Para subir al cielo, para subir al cielo, se necesita una escalera grande, una escalera grande, y otra chiquita, arriba y arriba. Ay, arriba y arriba, por ti seré, por ti seré, por ti seré.
In the cheese, in the chorizo, in the
Cheese and the chorizo.
more caje. Este lleva more than pesto, pa. In the
To make a sauce, to make a sauce.
$3 por
Right.
$3. así.
One for $2. Or you decide to buy two, $3.
American dollars.
See.
See, what's on this? What are you doing, Calvin?
I'm cooling myself and the camera down.
Yeah, it looks like
It's too hot.
What? Oh, now I see
It
what you're
stops
doing.
working.
Buy from here in the middle.
The middle?
See, in the middle.
Didn't take skin off.
No problem with the skin.
No problem with
You
the
can
skin?
eat the skin also.
All right.
Try, you will see how sweet they are. And they are very clean because they are from the tree.
That's beautiful.
I'm gonna cut some more for you to go.
That is so nice.
They are so sweet. I told you. Look at them, they are so good. Ya con eso.
So just for the record, they're just practicing. It's not for us, it's for them.
We are going right here to the tequila. Blue agave. Blue agave. And they need to be 7 years old. In this place, there are for the aged, the tequila, and the barrels, if they are from about 11 months to a year, will be like a reposado. But some of that tequila will be from 1 year to 3 years. And that one is gonna be extra añejo. So, more than double because the extra añejo.
Because the angels are taking their share.
Yes, because the time is in the barrel about 3 years, they will lose about 30% of that.
In Mexico, I don't think it's a Angels, it's a Diablo.
The Diablo is taking it?
Yeah.
See, right here, this guy is the bartender, and the tequilas that you can drink now, there are the regular ones, and now we got a new one, you know, the one with cocoa over there.
Okay. Arriba.
Never again.
Arriba, arriba, al centro, para adentro.
Es coco. Vanilla.
That's the vanilla. Aha. Easy. George. Into a drink.
Ole.
Ole. So,
He's slow. It's because it's hot.
Nadie más que tú. Ojos negros, piel canela, que me llegan a desesperar. Me importas tú y tú y tú.
should we do?
You just
1,
3 tequilas.
2, 3, 4,
5,
from here.
6,
That's fine.
7,
Doesn't
right here,
matter.
from here.
Doesn't matter. Wait, so how many bullets?
Shoot that one.
Yeah, see, first shot. Just hang on. Just hang on. You are trying to shoot a bottle of a man's head.
Yeah, we're going for a bottle of tequila.
No, this is
No, it's going for
this
tequila.
is
Go,
bad.
go.
No,
Go, let's go.
you cannot do this, man. Even if it's Mexico. No.
Champion! Very good, very good.
So, Cowboy, what do you have to?
I couldn't get it cool, so I made another plan.
Hang on.
I made another plan. So
It's in the what?
it's in the freezer.
So here's a top tip for fucking Sony. Fix your damn little camera.
They don't work in Mexico in summer.
Fueron tus ojos. Ándale, coco. Los que me dieron el tema dulce de mi canción.
ojos verdes, claro sereno.
1 week in Mexico. Obviously, we've managed to get the tire.
Yep.
We've seen some amazing things. Here's important things. We're not an authority necessarily on a destination or a place or a thing. We're learning and we're discovering as we go.
Yeah.
We're not getting paid to say things. We say what we say, and if we can't say it positively, we don't say it, because we get to experience sometimes what people really experience, and that's, I think, the opportunity for us.
Well, it's to go find the real place.
Yeah.
It's super easy to pick up a brochure and just go to the resort.
Yeah.
It's difficult to go out there and go look for something.
But this is a good experience. But it's a good experience to see how the other side lives, and honestly, how simple things can actually be. And that's what we're after, at least what I'm after for the next 6 months, is how simple can we make things.
Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana.